Hello, this time I would like to try IK Foam 1.5 with my Meguiar's citrusblast wash and wax. So I prepare 750 milliliter of water and 15 milliliter of shampoo. Stir it well so the solutions will be mixed perfectly. I pumped it 15 times as the manual said. Let's try it for the second time. I pumped it another 15 times. I like the foam it produces. It's quite thick and clings very well on the vertical panel. I often use this Meguiar's Detailer line citrusblast wash and wax because I like the result, the end result. It reminds me of the old Quik Detailer or the old Quik wax. The result is so glossy and it gives also some water beading. That's